What is law? A simple explanation. Every day, we follow rules, whether it's stopping at a red light, signing a contract, or even just buying a coffee. But have you ever stopped to ask, what exactly is law? Is it just a set of rules? Or is it the foundation of our society? Law is a system of rules created and enforced by governments, courts, and institutions to regulate human behavior. It exists to maintain order, protect rights, and ensure justice. Without laws, chaos would replace order, and rights would have no protection. Imagine a world where contracts meant nothing, crimes had no punishment, and justice was just a word. From the ancient Hammurabi Code to modern constitutions, law has shaped civilizations. It defines what's right and wrong, guides governments, and protects individual freedoms. Law isn't just about punishment, it's about structure. It governs everything from business and education to healthcare and human rights. Not all laws are the same. Some protect individuals, like criminal law. Others regulate businesses, like contract law. And some focus on society, like constitutional law. Each plays a unique role in shaping our world. In future videos, we'll explore famous legal cases that changed history, how one courtroom decision can impact millions. Law is more than just rules, it's the foundation of civilization. Want to understand the cases that shaped history? Subscribe to Law Review Hub and let's explore the law together.